open the box. Use caution when pulling the heavy station out of the box. Ask someone for help if needed. Stand to the side of the box and use the front of the station and the handle behind the station to lift the station out of the box. Open the Deebot box and take out the accessories. Please read all safety instructions before using. For best results, tidy up before cleaning by removing smaller objects and be mindful of flat, straight cables. Connect the power cord to the station. Place the station against a wall on a hard floor, not carpet or rug, with at least 0.5 meters on each side and 1.5 meters in the front of the station. Plug in the power cord. The station's panel has 3 buttons. Station cleaning when the Deebot is out of the station. Start, pause the Deebot, and move the Deebot in, out of the station. Remove the protective strips of Deebot and install the side brushes to the underside of the Deebot. Match the color of the side brush to the slot color. Press firmly, and you will hear the brush click into place. Download the ecovacs Home app from your app store, or open the top cover of the station and use your phone to scan the QR code. Install the app, register, log in, and go to the main app screen. Lift and remove the top cover of the Deebot. In the app, tap Add on the home screen and scan the QR code on the Deebot to begin setup. Follow the app instructions to complete network setup and name your Deebot.
Ready for network setup. Connected, please go back to the app to continue the setup.
After naming, you can select Time Zone or change the language of Eco.
Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Return the Deebot to the station. Use quick mapping on your very first use to get a map of your home in minutes. You can even use the voice command.
Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start quick mapping.
Okay, start quick mapping.
After mapping is complete, Deebot will return to the station. Say,
Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
and Deebot will start cleaning. Open the station lid and remove the clean water tank. Add water to the max level and place back into the station. Attach the mopping plates to the bottom of Deebot. When you hear
Switch to vacuum and mopping mode.
voice prompt, it means that the mopping pads plates are firmly engaged and mopping mode can be activated. Send Deebot off to clean. You can even use the voice command.
Okay, Yuko.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
The station will automatically fill the Deebot's water tank. As the Deebot cleans, it will return to the cleaning station periodically to clean the mopping pads. You can also use the app or voice commands to change settings like cleaning times, suction power, and water flow level. When the Deebot is done cleaning, it will return to the station to charge. The station will also auto-empty the dustbin, auto-wash the mopping pads, and heat the pads to dry them. If the station detects that the dust bag is full, the app will remind you to change it. Press the pop-up button under Dust Container, release the dust bag bin, flip up the dust bag clip, remove the dust bag, and replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.